Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I am giving you 5 frugal and more importantly free storage tips for your home. Number 1, tubs and trays that you get for free anyway. This is a takeaway tray and this is a strawberry tray, and they've got holes in already. I had Taffy Nige telling me that he grows cress and mustard seeds in his. That's ideal, isn't it? It doesn't have to be just for storage, it can be for growing plants as well. And there's a little tray, and I use these in my fridge, in my freezer and in my drawers. Oh, here's my cat, comes for a nose. I'm getting photobombed by my cat. This is Pell. She's 9 years old and a rescue cat. She's from London originally, so she's a Cockney cat. Right, to get back on track, ice cream tubs. I use ice cream tubs for all kinds of things. I generally use them to freeze food if I'm doing batch cooking. At the moment I've got this big one for odds and ends of wool, so when they're not, no, they're too good to throw out, but they're long enough to do a little project with. So I tend to make granny squares, and then when I've got enough, I make a nice big blanket out of all the odds and bits and bobs of yarn. Next one I do is sweetie tubs and biscuit tubs. So if you haven't got any labels, why not use a permanent marker and write on top what it is. And this one I've literally had for 20 years. It was one of those tubs that you get at Christmas, usually on offer at Christmas time. So, and I've just got lots of different buttons in here as well, and I've even got jars inside as well. So yeah. And I use the sweetie tubs too. These, this is an old Celebrations tub, but like a roses one. The old days used to be in tins. Now these days everything's plastic. I think tins are very collectible now. Some of them are worth a lot of money. But I use these plastic tubs. So I used to be an upholsterer, so I've got upholstery braid in there, the trim that you put around the edges. Another thing I use a lot of is jars, and I use jars for absolutely everything. So like I've got the little tea lights in there, and that one I use them for doggy biscuits. I've used a label off a label maker. My son bought me this a couple of years ago, the label maker, but as I said, you could easily use a marker pen instead. What's great for storage is Nutella jars, because they're nice and thick, and they're great for storing little things. Like here I've got some stock cubes. I've stopped using stock cubes lately because I just use lots of veggies instead, so I will work my way through them rather than waste them. This is just all bits and bobs at the bottom of the drawer, so this became my junk jar rather than a junk drawer. Good for DIY materials, so like I have different jars for different size screws, so it keeps everything all organised. This is a pennies jar that we throw the odds and bobs in. We cashed that in last week, so that's why it's empty. And I also use it to propagate plants, because you can put them in water, the cuttings. This is lots of little cuttings that I made off my spider plants, and as you can see the roots are growing, and then I can pot them on. So it's great for a little bit of home gardening as well. So, and this one is literally the little teeny tiny bits that you have left over from a project. I've been squashing them in this jar because I'm going to have a go at doing carding where you make your own yarn. So I'm going to have a go at that at some point. So this is where I store all my little tiny bits of yarn. So as you can see, there's a plethora of uses for them all. Speaking to the lady whose username is Kids and Grandkids, she said she used to use them for Lego. Yeah, when my son was younger, he used to like collecting the little Matchbox cars, so they used to go in tubs, and we used to go to the pound shop every now and again and get stickers, and he put stickers all over it. Same for the jars. My younger son, he used to collect the little micro machine cars, and he used to use the tubs and jars for his as well. I found the paint didn't really stick on it because we had to go painting, but stickers were good fun to use. So let me know what sort of things you use yours for. I think jars are great for storing lots of stuff. And as kids and grandkids, the lady said, people go out to buy plastic containers to store stuff that they aren't going to use. She's right. You're better off decluttering. But if you've got stuff you need to keep hold of, like for your craft items, your sewing items, your DIY items, all those little bits and bobs floating around the house, why not use the stuff you've already got? Thanks so much for watching, and if you could be so kind, could you please like and subscribe as well? I'm hoping to get 1,000 subscribers this year. I'm up to about 920, so we're nearly there. So that'd be nice, and maybe when we get to 1,000 we can have a little draw and I'll give away something for free. So thanks so much for watching, and see you for later on. Bye for now.